Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Open Opera GX and confirm the browser is updated, because flags behave differently across versions. Once ready, type opera//flags into the address bar and press enter. That opens experimental controls. In the flag search box, type force dark mode or darken web content to surface the inverted colors flag quickly. Make sure you note the current flag state before changing it, because you may want to revert if extensions or themes. Now change the setting. Locate the force dark mode flag and set it to disabled. This stops the experimental inversion that flips colors on many sites. After you choose disabled, click relaunch at the bottom. Opera GX restarts and applies the change. Once done, check a few pages that were inverted to confirm colors return to normal. If you couldn't find the flag, expand your search terms to color or invert, because flag labels vary between builds and versions. Complete the fix by confirming the system isn't forcing inversion. Open Windows Settings, go to Ease of Access or Accessibility, and ensure color filters and high contrast are off. Next, disable any browser extensions that alter page colors, then reload the problem sites. If inversion persists, return to Opera//flags and reset flags to default, then update Opera GX to the latest build. Troubleshooting tip: if pages remain inverted after this, disable all extensions and test in a fresh profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.